Hello, good day. My name is Samuel Akinwale of the group of the Code Titans group, right? So, um, these are demo for the user application. Just to run through the structure of the onion architecture used for the application. So we have um, we have the domain layer, the repository, the service, and then the main the UI, the representation layer. So according to the onion architecture, is that we follow the principle of separation of concern. So we can have our domain just our repository layer just listening to the domain layer, and then the services layer just listening to the repository layer. So by running the application, then we have this. We have 6 endpoints to get a user, to add a user, delete a user, edit a user, to get a user by its ID, and then search the user by certain criteria, either by age, by the marital status, or by name. So I'll be presenting some layers right now, some endpoints right now, and then my colleague will um, present the remaining layers. All right, so I'll be creating a new user at first, so we can have users that we can interact with. So the create endpoint. So the ID is automatically regenerated using the primary key in our database. Yeah. So our first name is Emmanuel, and our last name is Gabriel. Yeah, Gabriel. His age is 45. Gender of male, marital status, married, or let's lose engaged. Engaged in country, Libya. So by giving it its details, we have we're going to execute this endpoint. Okay, so we receive a 200 response showing that it is true. So next endpoint I'll be demoing is the to get all the users that we have in our database. So by doing that, we use this, yeah, and then when we try it out and execute, it will return all the users that we have in the database, including the newly added user. So we have these users created already, yeah, and also with our new user with the ID of 6. So the next stuff I'll demo now is to get the user by its ID. Yes, and we know that the ID of the user is 6. So when we input 6 as the user ID, then to fetch the ID that is the details that is concerned with that ID. So we have the ID of 6 and the details, Emmanuel Gabriel, age, and every other thing. So that is the end of my demo. So my colleague will be taking us through the edit, the search, and the delete endpoints. Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Maureen. I'm going to continue from where my colleague stopped. I'll be starting with the demo for the edit user right now. So when you click on the try it out, we're going to paste the details of a user and then we'll edit it. So this is one of our users from the database. Now I'm going to change his marital status. I'll say he's now married. And then I'll change his country of residence to say United Kingdom, UK. Okay, Then I execute. Once I do that, I check the response. You can see from the response that the edit functionality works clearly. The next endpoint I will demo would be the delete endpoint. So for the delete endpoint, I'll also just paste details of a user. Then I click on the execute. And then I get the response. I get the response. So let's go to get all the users and confirm. You can see, so that I can see that our user has been deleted. Get all the users. If you scroll down, you see that the user with ID 6 has been deleted. So delete functionality works fine. Then the last endpoint I'm going to demo will be the search demo. So this filter demo, we can search based on different criteria, either the age, the marital status, or whatever. So if I, for instance, search by the marital status, let's say married. If I search married, I click on execute, you can see the response. It returns the user that is married. So basically, those are the endpoints we've been asked to implement. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.